Good morning, Caroline. This is Mrs. Tuller. I wanted to help you get into Echo so that you could find what you need to find to get your classes started. Um, so if you go to your ASD Lopes portal, you'll see all of these buttons. And if you click on the Echo button, over in the right-hand corner, you'll see a place for you to do your username and password. Your username should be caroline.boothby, all lowercase. Your password should be lopes2026, all lowercase. When you hit login, let me actually log in as a student so you can see. You are going to get a screen that looks something like this. And all of your classes are these rectangles. So to see what to do in each class, click on the little play button. This is Life Science. And you'll see Mrs. Hansen's page. And you can scroll down to see the agenda. That's where you find all the work for the day. And all of these are hot links. So for today, her agenda actually is quite a bit on it. All of these things that are highlighted are linked, so you can access things that way. If you need to go to a different class, go up here to your 3 lines where the menu is and go to Home. And you can see actually all of your classes. Your screen might look a little different than this, but this is a sample of what they look like. And then just go to each class's little play button to see their agenda. Hopefully that helps.